Hello, everybody, and welcome to Proud Grandma Eats Mukbangs. How are you all today? It's lunchtime. How are you? I'm doing okay. I'm doing pretty good. I'm taking it easy and just keeping it busy, keeping it moving. Y'all know I like to keep it moving. Yes, proud grandma. You know, I say a grandma is as old as you feel. There's I think Murphy's Law says a body in motion does what? Stay in motion. And a body at rest does what? Stay at rest. So which one are you doing today, Grandma? And for the grandpappies out there, I'm not going to overlook you too. Are you in the mix? Are you in the mix? We're all in the fourth season of our lives. And we should be celebrating it, enjoying it, and pouring out into others through it. We've lived. We've experienced some things, some good and some bad. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But we have grandchildren, we have children that still needs to know the way to go and what happens when you don't go the right way. Things like that. Okay, so I'm not here to preach today. Y'all already know that. But sometimes when I open my mouth, stuff just comes out. Okay, lunchtime. I'm here and on time, y'all. Y'all thank God for that for me, with me. I'm here and on time today. Okay, and we are on Facebook Live. Make sure that. Okay, I think so. All right, so look what I have today for lunch. And I am working on my menu. So you guys will know what I'm going to have every day before I have it. And keep in mind, this is a 31-day challenge for me. Being and staying on Facebook and YouTube with mukbangs. I pledged because of Beloved Life. That's my girl, y'all. Hi, Beloved Life. How are you and your family? Nate and Darius and Darren. Devlin. I see y'all. Hey, I believe that Devlin and what's her name? Hot diggity as well as I know her name too. I believe that Devlin and his ex belong together. I think they're gonna end back up together. That's what I predict. How about that? I predict that Devlin and Nicole will get back together and live a happy and prosperous life. That is my prediction for them. Okay, my prediction can be wrong, but I sure hope it's not. Okay, y'all, let me keep it moving. That was my shout out for today to my family, my extended family. Bethany, I think her last name is Baskins, and her family. All right, here's what I got. I made some sauce. I had to make some more sauce, and I've got more onions in it. More onions in it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, I got a lot of more onions in it. And I have here today a Mussels pasta with corn doodad. Yeah, see, I'm going to show it to y'all. Get a little closer. Hey. How about that? How about that? Look at that, a little closer. Okay. Yeah, look at those mussels. Don't they look good? And that pasta, I can't wait to get into it. Yeah, yesterday, I got to tell y'all about this. I did an ASMR mukbang, right? I don't know what possessed me. Well, to get the biggest bowl I have that's clear and put a whole box of cereal in it and a whole half-gallon of milk. And I sat there. I prayed before I did it. And I ate it. I didn't drink the milk. I was full. But I noticed something about that. Cereal and stuff like that don't last with too long. It don't hold long. I was miserable for about a couple of hours. And then, I did what I had to do. and I felt better. And it just went on and improved from then. But I said, I don't know if I want to do a mukbang like that again. My goodness. Yeah. My belly was poked all out and full. You could hear the milk and the cereal sloshing around in it. Okay, y'all. Let's get on with our lunch. How are you all doing today? How are you doing today? How are you? What are you eating today? Look at there. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Oh, look at there. Ooh, that pasta is drenched in that sauce too. Mm-hmm. 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 Spicy. Mm. Flavorful. Woo. And the pasta isn't overcooked. I don't like overcooked stuff. I don't want my shrimp overcooked. I don't want y'all almost said it, so I don't want no food overcooked. Mmm. Mmm. Look at these shrimp. Did I tell y'all I had shrimp in here too? Yeah. This is a mussels shrimp pasta dish with corn. Mm-hmm. And so, let me get my little container here for my shells and things. But yeah. These shrimp look pretty good, y'all. I'm finna taste and see. Taste and see. Mm-hmm. 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 Just the way I like them. Tender and delicious. Look at there. Look at there. Mm-hmm. This is my butter sauce. Butter, garlic, onion, and everything else sauce. Ginger. It's good. Good. And it's not Campbell's soup either. So, what's the big question for today? What are you thinking about the season we're in with the pandemic still going on? And, oh, that's good, but I want some clams. I want some mussels right now. With the pandemic going on, and the merchants and the stores and the everybody that has something to sell is pushing us real hard to go on out there and shop now, because they're saying by the time the holiday roll around, there won't be nothing out there for you to get. What do y'all think about that? Sounds like a sale pitch to me. How can they know? Yeah. These things are so good. Let me tell you. These right here, I don't know why I want to call them clams today, but these mussels, you can get a double pack at Walmart, but now they're $5. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. They're $5. 3 weeks ago, they were 4. Yep, the prices are going up. But I still think they're being capitalized on. I still think that we are being railroaded and mistreated when it comes to the prices of our food. People are already stressed and struggling, and they want to keep throwing us curbs. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm. I'm going to be eating y'all because I'm hungry and this is good. I was so full last night, early this morning off that breakfast mukbang. No, it was last night. It was in the wee hours in the morning. I didn't even eat this morning at 8 o'clock. I was still full. Mm-hmm. So, I don't know. I don't usually participate in those things anyway, holidays. I think every day for me is a holiday. I do celebrate the high holy days, but not holidays. Mm. I celebrate. Oh yeah. I celebrate those because God told us to, and He hadn't changed it. Okay, y'all. Look, my hand, cause this is a mukbang. My hand want to get in there. Mm-hmm. It's delicious. I can taste that butter. Mmm. With those flavors. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, y'all, they are so. Mm. Oh, but I was telling y'all about these mussels. You get them at Walmart. They're inexpensive. Beloved Life hooked me onto these. Isn't it amazing? Somebody from all the way out there in Minnesota, Milwaukee, had to hip me to what we have here in our Walmart. But they're delicious. They are pre-cleaned and ready to cook. I still check them and I brush them. Make sure they're alive and don't have any crusty on them. Oh my goodness. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. That's on my happy dance. Woo! Glory. Look at there. Look at there. Mm-hmm. Put that sauce in there. I went the wrong way. Mm-hmm. No. Give me some onion. They are clean, pretty much. All I had to do was, I think I moved a couple of whiskers off of two of them. And I had one that had a little crust on it, so I scraped it off. Everything else looked good. I started to cook 2 packs. I said, no, one is going to be enough for today. How do you prepare your mussels? What I do with mine, I get them ready, go in water. I have my sauce already boiling. And I take them and I put them down in that boiling sauce water. And all that flavor gets up in there and cook them real quick. I cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes. And that's all it takes for mussels. Then I eat them. I put them up. This sauce is so good, y'all. I got that turbinado in there again. I put up more ginger. And I'm trying a new mix a girl told me about at Sam's. There's a seafood gourmet by Tony. By Tony. And I think it's going to do good. So what's on your mind today? I wish I could see y'all and hear if anybody's saying anything. I think it's going to take a while, but I have 10 more days to try this to see if it works. And if it works, I will continue it with recipes coming and cooking. I ordered my apron with my name on it, Proud Grandma Eats. And it's coming. And a couple of t-shirts. I'm looking forward to opening my store. We're going to be selling t-shirts. Proud Grandmas. And what else? Proud Grandparents. Because we got some men out there too. We can't leave them out. I can't leave them out. Without the grandpapas. We wouldn't have the grandchildren. We wouldn't have the children to have the grandchildren. This is so good, y'all. Oh, my water. Look at what I have to drink today, y'all. It's another Clear American flavor. This flavor is strawberry. Remember, they don't have any sugar, any calories, or anything like that. My husband and I used to buy these at Sam's and Walmart. Oh, look at here. Oh, you smell that strawberry. Years ago. And I went looking for them recently again. And I found them. And they're only 54 cents each. $0.54 each for this size bottle. It's a, I tell you what, let me read it. It says 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, and 0 sodium per serving. And this is 0 calories. What size is it? I'm looking for the size of it. Oh. What? What? This is a quart. This is a quart for 54 cents at Walmart. You can't beat it. Amen. You can't beat it. Hey, my lips needed a little touch of the cool strawberry drink. Oh, but this is so good. I mean, it's one thing I noticed about eating seafood with spicy sauce on it. It opens up every oracle you have. If you're stopped up, them nasal passages and everything else will be opened up. I'm eating today, y'all, because I'm hungry. Yeah. Got some of that garlic I peel. I like real garlic. Fresh garlic. This is good. Hey, it's good. Well, I heard from Facebook again. Another video, I had parts of it taken out because of the content. Said it was partly facts and partly untrue. It was one of my ministering videos. And it was about Martin Luther King. I posted something he said, he quoted, supposedly. But Facebook said it wasn't fact. So they put a note on it, did something to it. This is good. I hope that I haven't been flagged, because I try to abide by the rules and regulations everywhere. On a job, I make sure I know what they want and what they're asking of me. And I try to do that. What about you? I need y'all to comment and like for me, please. Like the video if you like it. Well, if you don't, you can say don't like. But my goal is to get 1,000 likes and views by December. I'm trying to talk and eat at the same time. How do y'all think that's working out? Huh? Let me get one of these again. Oh, look at them colossal shrimp. These are colossals. Yeah. These are big ones. Yeah. Analytics. Analytics. Excuse me, y'all. Let me see what they have. Analytics. Analytics is on tell you about your videos. I'm learning a little bit at a time. But it said that you look and see how many views you get on your most viewed video. And that's what you do. I want to say this. As friends, children of God, leaders in your community, we have to watch ourselves. What we do, what we say. How we let our emotions catch us up in crazy stuff and thoughts. But we are children of God. If you're I think this, if you're a child of God, you know how to control your emotions by dealing with them. The Bible says, don't you be moved by your emotions. Be led by every word that proceeds out of the mouth of God. But we want to take somebody somewhere. We want to teach somebody something. We can't even control our flesh. What's wrong with that picture? Y'all talk to me. Talk to me. What are your thoughts? I see too many of us supposed to be leaders with churches, ministries, talking like the world, acting like the world. It's a shame. But they can tell you what's wrong with you and which way you need to go. Okay. Oh, this is so good. I'm getting full quick, but it's good. Mm-hmm. 5 more minutes. This meal was very simple to make, and I made it in about 10 to 15 minutes. I pre-cooked my pasta for a couple of minutes in clear water. Took it out. And then I put it in the sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes to take on the flavor of the sauce. Then what is that? About 5 minutes at the most. Unsalt my shrimp. and the mussels. Cleaned them. And the shrimp. Took the shrimp 3 minutes to cook. Took the mussels 5. That's 8 minutes. 8 minutes added on to 5 minutes. That's 10, 11, 12, 13 minutes. Corn, it was frozen. I threw it in there. It took the longest. I let it cook about 8 minutes, 10 minutes because it was frozen. And then I had my butter sauce cooking and going and brewing and stewing. And when that got ready, everything else was ready, so I poured the sauce over it. And you talking about something nice. My God. Talking about something nice now. What is that? What he doing? He growing some legs or something? That one didn't open, y'all. So when you have one that doesn't open, you don't open it. Don't eat it. Tell them not today. Not right now. Well, y'all, it's been good. Really good. And our time for for lunch is up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My YouTube channel is Proud Grandma Eats, EATS. So if y'all would, I am uploading videos from Facebook because that's where they go first. Because of the way I do it. Let me know some of the topics y'all would like to talk about or want me to talk about. And you get in the conversation too. All right. Well, it's been another blessed day. I'm thankful for it. I thank you for coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share. And I pray you're having a good day, a blessed day, a prosperous day. Remember, if you work your it will work for you. I love you, but God loves you more. Bye-bye for now. They fooled me that time.